Many people use AI like this. They ask a question, get a result, then start over with a new prompt. And when the answer isn't quite right, they start over again. But what if you didn't have to start from scratch every time? What if you could simply take the best part of a response and build on it? This is the workflow called select and rechat. The idea is simple. Select the results you like, then continue the conversation from there. Let me show you how it works. Let's start by reviewing the results we've generated so far. Not every response is perfect, but some of them contain ideas that I really like. And instead of starting over, I can simply select those ideas and build on them. I can immediately continue the conversation using only that context. This allows AI to focus on the ideas I actually like without having to process everything else again. Now let's ask AI to improve this section. Great! The result is already much closer to what I'm looking for. And the best part is, I can repeat this process as many times as I want. Select, rechat, refine, and improve. Each step brings me closer to the final result. If I'd like a different perspective, I can even switch to another AI model and analyze the exact same selected content. This allows me to compare ideas, explore new directions, and get the best possible outcome. Once I'm satisfied with the result, I can save it to my knowledge library and reuse it as a knowledge source in future conversations, so AI can continue building on what you've already learned. And that's the power of select and rechat. Instead of starting over, you build on your best ideas. Select what works, refine what matters, and turn good results into great ones with Mandala AI.